So to set Silhouette Studio as your default program for opening SVG files is super easy on Windows computer. Find an SVG file on your computer, then right-click, then click Open With. At the very bottom of this window, you'll see Choose Another App. Click that. Then you're going to need to scroll all the way down, really far down. In my case, I don't have Silhouette Studio installed on the Windows side of my computer, so I'm just going to choose Silhouette Studio Mac, and I'm going to set that as my default program to always open SVG files. And now it's going to go start it on the Mac side, and you can see that it has the icon displayed here, Silhouette Studio, and it has opened the file. Let me show you that with another file. Let's just find another file, digital cutting files. I'm going to go under Animals. I must have something under Bears. Okay, so here's Bear Family. And I'm going to, and you can see now that this Silhouette Studio icon is displayed beside my SVG files. So I'm going to click Open, and it has the default icon here as well. Now when I switch to the Mac side and I go to Silhouette Program, you can see that it has this file opened up. If you did have it installed on Windows, it would work the same way, but in Windows. So I hope this has been helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching. So please help out my channel. Let me continue bringing you free tutorials. Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.